So hey guys, just some quick information here about some dehumidifiers. This particular one is a Nantucket Breeze, but there's actually a lot of dehumidifiers made by the same company that's under recalls, and a lot of people may not know it. Even old dehumidifiers you've had for 10 years, if you look up on the recall list, and I'll share the website up above here and have a link in the description for it. So at the time of this video, a lot of these, if you'll take a picture of the serial number and cut the cord and have a picture that you cut the cord and check a box that you have disposed of the unit that's no longer in your house because of a fire risk, they'll either send you so much reimbursement, or in this case, they're going to send a brand new 70 paint dehumidifier out. So it's definitely worth your time to look into it. So just thought I'd share this information because this one is actually over 10 years old, but they're still going to replace it, or in this case, they offered $137 in reimbursement for it if you show that you have done your steps to throw it away and get it out of your home. So it's just part of that safety recall list, and it's worth looking into. Again, there's a lot of them on the list. I'll have a list up here, just some of the manufacturers if it's handy for you. And it's just worth looking into, and also just getting the fire risk and fire hazard out of your house. Hope you thought this video was helpful today. Please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.